Hey, hi all. This side Sandeep, and today I'm telling about related to the economics, where the 3 points we have to learn about the social economy, capital economy, and the next one is the mixed economy. And the mixed economy is already working in the India, and there is a point of the related to the mixed economy. In this, it's related to the and it's come from the RBI. As I earlier told about the RBI, how that's the RBI opened in the around 1936, where a commission has launched in the 1926. That commission is a young commission. Okay, so after the commission, there is a established in RBI in around 1936 and 35. I think 1935. Then after that, the RBI nationalized on the 1949 completely. So RBI can yes, RBI can control the inflations of the India, and RBI measure the everything which is related to the economics part. This the RBI works to maintain the monetary of the India. There is a point of the fiscal deficit to calculate the fiscal deficit, and RBI has already ownership to the get the report from the bank rates and CR and cash reservation. There are some multiple types of the words in this. Okay, so I hope you all have understood this word related to the RBI, and another one which is related to the economics part. So they in India already working in a mixed economy, where mix means it's the combination of the social and capital. I think you have understood my points. Thank you. Bye.